Hello, welcome to Cooking with Landry. I'm going to show you how to make a sponge shortcake. What you're going to need is flour, salt, baking powder, and 2 eggs, hot milk, sugar, melted butter, and vanilla. Okay, let's get started. So you're going to need to take your flour and sift it. Okay, so now we need to mix our 2 eggs for 3 minutes. You need to mix them on high speed. And I'm gonna pour my sugar in slowly. That's gonna mix for 5 minutes. Now I need to pour in my dry ingredients and fold them. Now we need to put in our hot milk and melted butter. Now you need to pour your mixture into your lined pan. Oops. Now you need to put it in the oven for 30 minutes.
You want to close it?
Now I'm going to cut the strawberries for the shortcake. Okay, I sliced up my strawberries, and now I need to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on. About this much. Now we'll just wait for the sponge cake to come out of the oven. Okay, now we're gonna let it cool. Thanks for watching Cooking with Landry. Don't forget to push like and subscribe.